Punjab and Haryana High Court imposed 50,000 costs on Secretary of Haryana Staff Selection Commission for causing unnecessary adjournments and producing scant information pertaining to selection of trained graduate teachers. Cost of 50,000 was ordered to be personally paid by Secretary. He was also directed to be present in court on next date of hearing and file specific affidavit explaining reasons why information required to be placed before court in terms of order dated 28 November and February 20 was withheld and why it should not be taken as an intentional violation of orders on his part. Justice Tribhuvan Daya passed these orders while hearing bunch of petitions. Matter pertains to revision in the answer keys of TGT English and Punjab where wrong answers were allegedly corrected after revision. It was also issued that examiner of the papers was not eligible for the job. During hearing, State Council handed over three sealed envelopes containing record of selection process. On examining, bench noticed that none of these was the original report of subject experts and only photocopies were produced despite a direction to produce originals in the court. Secondly, details of chief examiners given in letter dated 27 March mentioned certain names of people without disclosing their status, positions held, and names of the institutions they worked in. Qualification of these subject experts or chief examiners prima facie appeared to be questionable as chief examiner of home sciences shown to have qualification of BSc, MSc, B.Ed and M.Ed. Similarly, chief examiner of English has qualification of BSc, MSc, B.Ed and M.Ed. Also, at first sight, so-called reports under subject heading clarification regarding answer keys of TGT, Punjabi, English, physical education, Sanskrit and home science appear to have been signed by one chief examiner, though same pertain to different subjects. These reports were resealed and retained on the case file. Faced with this situation, State Council requested opportunity to get instructions. However, after imposing 50,000 cost on Secretary, High Court adjourned matter to 7 April for further hearing.